Hey friends, it's your favorite HR unicorn, and today we're diving into something everyone needs, whether you're in HR or not. HR skills. Trust me, you're using them more than you think. Communication, conflict resolution, reading people, these aren't just HR buzzwords, they're life skills. So let's get right into it. What are HR skills? Let's define it real quick. HR skills are the abilities HR pros use every day to manage people, solve problems, and keep organizations moving forward. But here's the twist: you don't have to work in HR to need these skills. Are you raising kids, supporting elderly parents, navigating friendships, breakups, group projects, even customer service nightmares? Yep, you're using HR skills. And here are a few key ones we'll unpack today: communication, empathy, conflict resolution, adaptability, emotional intelligence, decision making, leadership, even without the title. So let's break down these skills. The first skill, communication. HR version, giving clear feedback, handling hard conversations. Life version, telling your roommate or your significant other to help clean the dishes without starting World War III. Try this. I feel blank when blank because blank. Remember to use I statements, not you blame bombs. Skill number two, empathy. So when I think about HR, supporting an employee going through burnout. When I think about a life version, not snapping at your partner when they're hangry. Tip, mirror their emotion. That sounds really hard. I can see why you're frustrated. Skill three, conflict resolution. HR version, meditating. Well, I wish we could meditate. It's actually mediating between two employees. And sometimes that employees is a leader and employee or a team member. Life version, settling sibling rivalries or navigating friend drama. Use curious conversations Use curious conversations, ask before assuming. Help me understand what happened. Skill 4, emotional intelligence. Recognizing your own triggers before reacting. It's the difference between reacting and responding. So practice, pause, breathe, then speak. Skill 5, decision making. Use the three C's, kind of like my name: clarify, consider, and choose. Think long game, not just instant gratification. A very HR move. Skill 6, leadership. Not about job titles, about influence, responsibility, and owning your impact. Ask, how can I show up today in a way that makes things better? Whether that's better for yourself, better for your teammates, or better for your partner or friend. All right. So, how do we practice these skills? HR skills are like muscles. Use them or lose them. So, try these. Journal your responses after tough conversations. That can be on your phone, via email, on a Word document. Role play tricky situations with a friend. Give feedback to someone kindly, even if it's about a shared Netflix account. Ask open minded questions in convos and just listen. Be that active listener. Lastly, and I really feel like this is going to be helpful, here is the T: the better your people skills, the easier your life gets. Whether you're trying to land a job, avoid burnout, set boundaries, or just vibe with people, these HR skills are for you. Do you want more like this? Subscribe, smash that bell, and drop your biggest people skill win in the comments. HR isn't just a department, it's a way of life. Feel free to stick around, go back and check out my other videos. I'm really here to help and provide my expertise by sharing skills, tips and support and resources to better yourself in the workplace and in life. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to sharing more.